Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hand. This is the 50 pans pancake makers, and they're using the liquid prop pins. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the units, they are about like a 21 inches wide, and total include the pads at the hands. They are about like a 16.5 inches deep. And the overall height of the unit is about like 8.5 inches. So this unit we designed with the two cooking area zones, and we can see the knobs on the both sides. You can control, and you have see the small fan. This one you can see the fire was burning inner side. And when we turn around the behind of the units, we can see they have a car sheet informations, and also they have a pipe connections. There is a knob you can cover and remove it for security. And we can take a look closer to see the pan area sizes. For this cooking pan, we can see they're having about like a 5 row. For each row, they have 10 cooking areas for small cakes. And the dimensions of this one is will be the 90 and the 1 8 inches wide, and the 10 and the 1 8 inches deep. Thank you for watching these videos. This will be all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.